everyone, it's me Cedrina and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Five Below. There's a bunch of new self-care dupes here, so let's head into the store and see what we can find. What is this little product? Chill Out Soothing Facial Toner with Snow Mushroom. What? Aloe and niacinamide. Hydrate and soothe. The niacinamide is kind of getting me because I love that. We have some hydrogel masks, facial creams. What brand is this? Spa Life. Okay, nice. Cooling serum. They got a little bit of everything. Okay, you guys remember Solar Flare? Very stocked up on all the body butters. Do they have all the scents here? They also have the shimmering body oil and hair and body fragrance mist. They don't have all of the scents though for some reason, but they are really stocked up. If you haven't seen the video where I went to Five Below to shop for all of these Solar Flare dupes, definitely make sure to check it out after this. This looks like a new line. I haven't seen it. Scent. They have Awaken, Energize, and Refresh. They have some body scrubs. So cute. The minis. They remind me of the mini Tree Hut body scrubs. But these are sealed, so we'll see if we can scent test these. No, I can't even tell what this is supposed to smell like.
You can't smell anything?
No. It smells a tad bit sweet, but other than that, I'm not really getting much of the scent. This one is whipped cream, toasted coconut, and sugared lemon. I can kind of smell that, but not enough. How about Awaken? Ooh, these are so cute. I love the ombre colors. We have purple to pink. The other one was pink to orange. Passion fruit, pink grapefruit, and pineapple nectar. Yeah, okay, there's no point. There's no point. I can't smell anything. I'm done. The last one, ooh, green to blue. This is Energize, no negative energy, rose water, vanilla, and green apple. Whipped body butters. Guys, Five Below is showing up and showing out. Okay, okay. This is thick too. Nope, nothing.
It's sealed.
Yeah, but I love how it looks. Why is this the only? Oh, I think more are on the other side.
And they have all these sprays.
Yep, it's the same scents, but they have it in a spray, in a body butter. They have lotion, body scrub. Not they have candles in this too. This is the ultimate self-care. Maybe we'll get the scent from the candles. This is the Refresh. Baby, that just smells like any other candle. What the heck? It's like your typical sweet candle. That's the only one I see actually. These are all the body butters. Cute. I love this. One for everybody. Only $5 too. I think everything in this line is $5. Okay. Yes, they have candle holders for these. But why is it only Refresh that they have? Oh wait, I think I see Awaken. Let me smell Awaken now. Passion fruit. I like this one more. It's like a fruit juice. I like that. Five Below, I'm impressed. I think this is my first time coming to this Five Below, or if it's not my very first time, it's been a long time. So I'm very impressed with it. Yes, self-care pajamas. Literally, let me tell you, I feel like if you're starting social media and you want to be one of those self-care get ready with me girlies and you're a little bit younger or you just want to start, this is the place. Hello, they have everything you need. The get ready with me PJs. Over here we have like a, I think this is a hair curling set. Oh my gosh, I never thought I would see this at a Five Below. Yes, for my curly girls. We have a detangling brush, edge brushes, wow, and a parting comb. This is so cute. Yes, they have it in pink, blue, and purple. This is cool. What?
Yeah, everything you need.
We love it. Inclusivity. You guys cannot tell me this lipstick that's $4 does not look like the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. Okay, dupe. Like, we're just duping everything and I love it.
Isn't this like the number 7 they sell at Target?
This? Well, it says 7 on it, but you know, I don't know much about the number 7 line. Okay, Five Below, I see you. I don't know if it's just me, but the fact that I literally saw these candies online and now all of a sudden they're just at Target and now Five Below, it's crazy. But that's so fun. I've heard mixed reviews of this though, so I don't know if it's good or not. Maybe one day I'll try. You already know I gotta check out the water bottles and the Stanley dupes. This is super cute. I love this pink color and the size. But when did they change the straws? Also, this is really nice too. Please not, they're duping the mini ones too. Where was this purple color when I first saw these? Cute, cute, even green. Metallic now too. This is beautiful. I love this one. So we've got like a magenta-ish purple, gray, black, gold, or I should say bronze for this one. When did they come out with this ombre one? These ice globes are so cute. Look how they're shaped. We have a heart ice globe and a cloud ice globe. These would make a great gifts for somebody. Do they have any other shapes? Oh. Okay, we have the OG. This is a green to pink colorway. I think someone actually misplaced them because I see more here. Ice molds. Remember when these were so popular? Now nobody is talking about these. You know what? I usually just make my own DIY ice mold at home, but this is cute and aesthetic to have too. I love the purple. Some more products. Face roller with globe. Okay, this is a 2-in-1, dual-ended. One side is a face roller. I feel like it kind of exfoliates. And then we have the smooth face globe. I'm just checking out all the self-care, guys. This store is actually pretty loaded. All right, first Five Below was successful. Now let's head to the next one. My mom actually just found these. What are these? Golden Glow Drops by the W7. We saw this brand at the last Five Below. Everybody's got their glow drops now. They only have one shade, it seems. Not the one shade. Come on, guys. We have our typical self-care section. This whole sponge set, 75 count. You're set. This is such a cutesy little self-care set. And it's perfect for on the go. Everything's travel size. What the? Have I seen this before? I probably have, but I don't remember them being this big.
It's a makeup brush cleaner.
I usually only see these small ones though, so I'm surprised to see these giant ones. Wait a minute, is this another shade in the glow drops? I just found this here randomly. I'm not sure though. Wait, guys, I'm in the workout section and these pink dumbbells are so cute. 3 pounds. I've been kind of getting into doing at-home workouts and Pilates. I don't know why, but literally everyone has started a Pilates trend and I'm kind of getting into it. These are so cute. I might get these when I go back to school for my dorm, just for the fun of it. Because, I mean, we do have a gym, but I used to go and I don't feel like I really want to go to the gym anymore. Like, at home is just more freeing. Ooh, not this tiny 1 pound.
For $2.
Coming here to see if they have nice Stanley dupes. This one seems to have like the regular ones that they always have though. Nothing looks super new. I did see a Valentine's Day Stanley dupe though. Random facial mist here. Aloe and watermelon.
There's only one left.
What is... Oh, fragrance set. This is pretty. This is such a cutesy packaging. Oh, they have 2. Everything's just selling out. I guess Five Below is getting more popular. Hey guys, just letting you know that I've already done a video at Five Below where I showed you guys all of the Drunk Elephant, Byoma, and Bubble dupes. Make sure to go check that video out after this one if you haven't seen it yet, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Okay, now let's carry on with the outro of this video. Alright everyone, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We actually found a bunch of great things at these 2 Five Belows. Make sure to subscribe down below, share this video, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.